Welcome to Ramp Rally number 24. Now we're going to kick it off. We have the black Mohawk, this one is Meta Militia versus Team Hot Wheels. In the Meta Militia, we'll get the win over the Team Hot Wheels, the X-Ray Medusa versus the Mohawk Warrior with no Mohawk. And the Medusa will win over the Mohawk Warrior with no Mohawk. Now I'm going straight to the race. The white 2015 Medusa and Instigator. And the white Medusa, both of the Medusas will win. Gravedigger versus Batman. That is, we're going to have to rerun that. Batman and Gravedigger. We're switching lanes. Wait. And yes, the Batman will win over the Batman. This is the race. The two new trucks. The vintage King Crunch versus the Big Kahuna. And the Big Kahuna, it's debuted over the debuted King Crunch. The King Crunch is going to lose, and the Big Kahuna is going to win. And we're going on to Barbarian and Dragon's Breath. The Barbarian will get the win over the Dragon's Breath. Rap Attack versus the Gravedigger the Legend. The Rap Attack will win. Oh, this is a good race right here. Thunder 4x4 and Aftershock X-Ray. Is that on very good? Yeah. So let's race. Oh, that was so epic. And I did not move him. And that will be the Thunder 4x4 will win over the X-Ray Aftershock. We have Monster Mutt with the ears cut it off. For my birthday, I got that one. That's why the ears are cut off. And Prowler. And Prowler will win over the Monster Mutt. Stone Crusher versus Shocker. And the Stone Crusher shocks the Shocker. There's Stone Crusher. This one was the winner at number 9, I believe. 9 or 8. No, like 2 or 3 or something. I think it was 3. This is the race. Both from the Avengers against up in Monster Jam. Iron Man and Captain America. Iron Man, Captain America rolls Iron Man to the victory. There's Iron Man. I buy Captain America. Ice Cream Man versus Illuminator. Illuminator will win the Ice Cream Man. There's the Illuminator. Okay. Well, there is Captain's Curse against each other. Captain's Curse Edge Glow versus the Red Captain's Curse 2007. And the Edge Glow Captain's Curse takes it all the way to to the house. I was going to say camera, but I didn't. Maximum destruction. There's 2 maximum destructions. 2 black Mohawk warriors and 2. Wait, what? And that's all. And Air Force Afterburner versus Max Destruction. And Max Destruction will win over the Air Force Afterburner. Okay, Nitro Hornet versus Man of Steel. Man of Steel, Al losing his cape, wait. Man of Steel won? Wait. Okay, now I got the words. It was, okay, Man of Steel won. I was just wasting time right there. Let's move on. Okay, we have the Purple Avenger versus Son of a Digger. Wait, let me scoot those over. Oh, the Son of a Digger lost to the Avenger. Oh, that hit Dragon's Breath. Okay. Try to squeeze. We're just going to put the tricks right there on the end. Now we're moving down here. I've been waiting for this race my whole moment. Lucas Oil Crusader versus King Crunch. Lucas Oil Crusader eliminates the King Crunch 2015 of 3. There's one King Crunch. There's the oldest King Crunch. There's the second oldest King Crunch. There's the vintage King Crunch. Then there's that King Crunch. And he will get Don. Whoever wins this race. Oh yeah, and there's 2 Gravediggers. Whoever wins this race will get Lucas Oil Crusader. Gravedigger will. And 1 Gravedigger will win, 1 Gravedigger lost. Thrasher and Amzo Shock Therapy. Thrasher wins over Thrasher wins over Amzo Shock Therapy. And this is a good race right here. Bulldozer and the Michigan Ice Monster. The Bulldozer, yes, he will win over the Michigan Ice Monster. Well, this is a good race. Patriot versus Dragon. Oh, I'm not sure. We're going to check on that side. And I don't know. It will be Daddy, but we're going to have to rerun with Dragon and Patriot. Boom. The Dragon wins with the scales and the horns. You don't have it. I've been waiting for this race my whole life. Wrecking Crew and Bad News Travels Fast. Bad News Travels Fast takes it to the house. Well, not totally to the house, but to the house. Zombie versus Arturo Loco. That red and yellow horn, Arturo Loco wins over Zombie against Zon. Whoever wins this next race is Nitro, Circus, and Cutting Corners, who will get Bulldozer. Arturo Loco and the Nitro Circus will. Wait, let me get that truck up there. Oh my bad. No, so we're moving on here. Okay, Ninja Turtles versus Western Renegade. Oh, I think the Western Renegade did it. I don't know. We're going to have to rerun. That was dead. dead even. We're switching lanes. And the Ninja Turtles switches right by him to give the Ninja Turtles the win. Shark Raid versus Bad Habit. Shark Raid versus Bad Habit. Oh, I don't know. We're going to have to rerun that. Yes, we will have to rerun that. There's going to be more. Oh, that hit me. You probably didn't see, but the truck was coming down and it hit me most of the time it was coming down. And the Bad Habit. And that's a good race. Green Avenger versus the Red Avenger. Oh! The Red Avenger wins over the Green Avenger. And that's bad for the Avengers because only two advanced and the other Green Avenger lost. So two Green Avengers lost in Obsession versus Excalibur. Wait. Obsessed. Well, that's definitely Excalibur taking it to the house. Sorry about it. There was no other Green Avenger. I miscounted. Superman versus Blue Thunder. Superman. The cape comes off like that, not all the way off. It would be cool if the cape comes all the way off. But the Blue Thunder will lose to the Superman. Oh, this is another good race because their trucks are both the same body style. NEA Police, New Earth Authority versus Doomsday. That very fast Doomsday is going to win over the NEA Police. And the versus, there's two Blue Thunders. Blue Thunder versus Northern Nightmare, and the other one is Blue Thunder versus Superman. And this Blue Thunder will get the win over Northern Nightmare, so Northern Nightmare loses. Oh, I'm going to almost over. Predator versus Backdraft. Oh, Predator is going to win over the Backdraft. Oh, man. Megabyte versus Brutus. And the Megabyte wins over the Brutus. Yeah, I got that right. There. This is going to be a good race. Derailed versus Higher Education School Bus. In the Higher Education School Bus will win. And against wow. And that's what I was talking about. The Purple Mohawk Warrior versus the Black Mohawk Warrior with the Mohawk. And that was dead even to the line. Switching lane. The Purple Avenger wins in the end. Okay. The Purple Avenger versus against first. What is it? I don't know. Team Hot Wheels Firestorm versus Scooby-Dooby-Doo. And Scooby-Doo probably takes it out of the camera scene. And Scooby-Dooby-Doo wins, and it's against it on. Wait, over here. Yeah, the Spider-Man versus Jessica Tat. Spider-Man zips right past him, and it gives Spider-Man the win. Samson versus Wolverine. Oh, that's a dead even race, but Wolverine gets the win over Samson. Although Samson. Way over here is Max the Edge Glow versus Monster Mutt Dalmatian. Monster Mutt Dalmatian is going to win over the Edge Glow Max D. Boom, boom, boom. Who wins this race against his Monster Mutt Dalmatian? Who wins the next race? And that, okay, we probably have one. The yellow Toro Loco is the crooked. I don't know. I can't see. I really want to chase behind the camera, Sam, but then you won't see me. Maximum Destruction versus a Toro Loco yellow. Both of the Toro Locos lose, and both of the Maximum Destructions lose. So, yeah. Bigfoot. Ah! Why can I not stay up there? Oh, because they're weird. Ah, come on. Stay. Stay, come on. Stay, there. Versus Megarex. Megarex wins. He won number 23. Yeah, so he won number 23. Okay, so there's going to be, someone's going to race this. It's Crustacean, Black Stallion plastic tires, and Bounty Hunter plastic tires on top. And the Black Stallion plastic tires is going to win over the Crustacean and the Bounty Hunter. Going on to round 2. Meta Militia versus that pink X-Ray Medusa. And the Meta Militia will win over the pink X-Ray Medusa. So both of the X-Ray tricks are gone. And we have the white Medusa versus Batman. Oh, that's neck to neck. I smell popcorn. Weird. We're going to rerun. That was unfair, but we're going to give the white Medusa the win over Batman. That was like truck. Sorry guys about that. I threw the truck out of the camera scene. That was weird. Okay. Big Kahuna versus Barbarian. Barbarian wins over the Big Kahuna in the second round. He will not win his debut race. Thunder 4x4 versus Rap Attack. He could beat that. But the Thunder 4x4 will win over the Rap Attack. I'm not gonna lie, that was actually a pretty good race. Prowler versus Stone Crusher. Don't say anyone, this is a good race. Told you, but the Stone Crusher wins. And will it be 2-time champion? I don't know. Who knows? Iron Man versus Illuminator. Oh, I don't know. I did not move him. And it's neck and neck at the line. I'm going to race this guy backwards. And that will help it. Illuminator goes backwards and wins. We're going to race him backwards the whole time, so I'm going to put him backwards. Captain's Curse Edge Glow versus Maximum Destruction. Captain's Curse Edge Glow will win over the Maximum Destruction. Okay. The Purple Avenger versus Man of Steel. And the Purple Avenger wins over the Man of Steel. Bye-bye, Man of Steel. Wow, we're already on our second round. Oh, this is going to be a good race. Gravedigger versus Lucas Oil Crusader. Lucas Medusa Crusader loses to Gravedigger. Will this be Gravedigger's night? We do not know. Because this is the only one. Gravedigger left. Not even the Gravedigger Legends left. So let's hope he wins. Go Gravedigger. Give a thumbs up. I like Gravedigger. Thrasher versus Bulldozer. Thrasher will win over the Bulldozer. Oh, this is going to be a brilliant race right here. Dragon versus Bad News Travels Fast. But Bad News Travels Fast will win over Dragon. The Arturo Loco, the Red Arturo Loco versus Nitro Circus. In the Nitro Circus, if you watched number 10, you could see this tire pop off during one of his races. And Arturo Loco loses to the Nitro Circus. This feels like the same race last time. But that was, I don't know, Bad Habit versus Ninja Turtles. Ninja Turtles! He was going to knock this guy over, but he knocked that guy over. Amazing race. But the Ninja Turtles will win. The Red Avenger versus Excalibur. 3-time champion Avenger. Will he do it again? No, the Excalibur will win. This will not be Avengers Night. Doomsday versus Superman. Oh, Doomsday wins! Doomsday will win over Superman. Doomsday. We have Blue Thunder versus Predator. Predator will win. Blue Thunder, both of the Blue Thunders. It will not be Blue Thunder's night. They won 2 times in a row. Higher Education School Bus versus Megabyte. Megabyte won. Oh, and number 1, Blue Thunder won over Higher Education in the last race. So Higher Education, wait, that was the opposite. My bad, guys. Wait, right. I have to find. Oh, right there. Okay, Megabyte won over Higher Education. Bye bye, Higher Education. The Purple Mohawk Warrior versus Scooby Doo. The Purple Mohawk Warrior will win. Okay, Spider-Man versus Wolverine. Spider-Man will win over the Wolverine. Yellow Arturo Loco versus Monster My Dalmatian. The Yellow Arturo Loco. Will it be Yellow Arturo Loco's night? We do not know. Maybe she will win. But I don't know who will win. It is some sort of mystery. Last race of 24 of the second round. Black Stallion versus Megarex. And Megarex will win versus the Black Stallion. Black Stallion is gone. No special things except nothing. So this will be a good race. White Medusa versus Medusa. Oh, Medusa falls off soon. Gives the White Medusa the win. Will this be White Medusa's night? We do not know. Maybe she will win. Oh, you know, it would be a good race for the final. Yellow Torloco and White Medusa. Thunder 4x4 versus Barbarian. Thunder 4x4 will win over the Barbarian. Will this be Thunder 4x4's night? We do not know. He'll be against the White Medusa in the second round. Remember, Illuminator is going to race backwards on versus Stone Crusher. And the Stone Crusher will win. The Illuminator is gone. Stone Crusher might win this. He might be two-time champion. Who knows? Captain's Curse Edge Glow versus Purple Avenger Grid right here. Oh, yes. The Captain's Curse Edge Glow wins. Gravedigger versus Thrasher. The Thrasher knocks off the Gravedigger. Gravedigger is gone. That is Travels Fast versus Nitro Circus. Wait. Bandit Travels Fast is on a roll. Will it be their night? Hopefully. It would be awesome if we had a new winner. Because probably none of these except this one. And this one. Probably one out of all of them. Ninja Turtles versus Excalibur. Excalibur won over the Ninja Turtles. Ninja Turtles, bye-bye. Hello, Excalibur. He's either going up against Predator or Doomsday. Wow, Doomsday falls off soon. I really want against Doomsday a different try. But we're not. Predator wins. I really wanted Doomsday to win that. I really do. I really did. We're going to count that Mohawk Warrior. Just kidding, we're not. Megabyte versus Mohawk Warrior. Wow, Megabyte will win over the Mohawk Warrior. The purple Mohawk Warrior is gone. On the race. We're going to have a fast loser. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, we're going to need two fast loser races. Spider-Man and Yellow Toro Loco. And same thing happened. They fall off early. They lose. Spider-Man wins to a Toro Loco. Okay, we need some. Let's give me some time. You guys who finds that one, and then we're going to need another race. So, that truck and that truck reverse after. And then, let's give, I really want to give two people a try, but we're only going to pick one. It's going to be Bandit Travels Fast. Wait, is Bandit Travels Fast already in? Oh, my buddy's already in. So, to race him, I'm going to give one of the bestest in the business. Doomsday versus Barbarian versus, everyone is this? Luxo, Crusader, and Megarex. Megarex loses. The fast loser will win. Luxo, Crusader is back. And it's against Dean. Whoever wins this race right here, either Doomsday or Barbarian. The Barbarian wins. The fast loser wins. Bye-bye, Doomsday. You're bad. Very good. But we need a fast loser for the final race, the final four. Then we'll bring in Doomsday and somebody else. Thunder 4x4 and White Medusa, good race. The White Medusa wins over the Thunder 4x4. It would probably be this guy versus Doomsday. Okay, back over here. Edge Glow, Captain's Curse versus Stone Crusher. Good race. Stone Crusher wins. Wait, no, Stone Crusher loses the Captain's Curse. So, that's going to be a good race. Bad News Travels Fast versus Thrasher. Bad News Travels Fast will win. He's on a roll. I think he's going to win. Predator versus Excalibur. Oh, he lost. Excalibur wins. Let's give it up. Wait, not give it up. What was I thinking? I was thinking it was a winner race. Spider-Man versus Megabyte. Yeah. Superman wins. Spider-Man, yeah. Superman loses. Okay. Barbarian versus Luso Crusader. Barbarian wins. So Luso Crusader is going for good. We don't know. We might have a trip. Boom, boom, boom. We might have two fossils or two nuts. Okay, this is a good race right here. White Medusa versus Edge Globe Captain Curse. The White Medusa is on the roll. Oh, do you know it would be a good last race? Bad Habit versus White Medusa. Bad Habit versus Excalibur. Oh no! Excalibur! That was unfair. Excalibur was moved up, he was back, and he was moved up. So we're going to give the Bad Habit in the end. We're just going to raise it one more time. Sorry. So, like, no one's, like, complaining, like, hey, he won. No, hey, he won. So this is going to be the last race. Who wins fair and square? And it will be Excalibur. Excalibur. So we're going to need a fast loser. Excalibur and Medusa. Barbarian wins over Spider-Man. Bye-bye, Spider-Man. Who will be on third? I know who. This is going to be the best race ever. Yeah. Where did I throw him? I must have thrown him hard. On first round. I can't find him. I'm finding people only who advanced to the second round. Not like a Crusader, he was gone for good. I'll say that. Hopefully I didn't say it. Where is Doomsday? Dang it. Well, give me a second to find Doomsday, everyone. We might need some silence. Ow. Ow, ow, ow. How would it be hard to find Doomsday? I just threw him over here. Oh, there's Doomsday. Bad Habit. Sorry guys about that. Bad Habit versus Doomsday. Best race ever. Bad Habit. Not Bad Habit. Why am I send up? Bad News Travels Fast. One over Doomsday. Final four. Wait. Okay. So it'll be like this, okay. Sorry about that. Oh, it'll be switched. Okay. Medusa, the White Medusa versus Excalibur, and Barbarian versus Bad News Travels Fast. This is for the last four marbles in the jar. White Medusa versus Excalibur. Excalibur eliminates the White Medusa. He's going to the finals. White Medusa is gone. Bad News Travels Fast versus Barbarian. Barbarian. Here's your final win. Barbarian versus Excalibur. Barbarian won over Luso Crusader, and he's 1 point on. Whoever wins this is the champion at number 24. It will be the Excalibur will win. Thank you so much for watching. Have a thumbs up, subscribe, and give me a comment down below who your favorite monster truck is. Thank you for watching Ramp Rally number 24. Excalibur is your